Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am battling a headache today, but I'm going to go ahead and record me making room for a new dresser I just brought in. Let me give you a quick sneak peek of it. She is super pretty. Just watch and fast forward here and let me know what you think of the end result. All right, making sure my camera was on. So I think I have this pretty much set up. I'll probably do tweaking throughout the day. Let me go ahead and turn you around. So I moved the cabinet that was over here and swapped it with the gray one. So we moved those around and then moved the little end tables. I moved that because the gray cabinet or dresser is the same height as the nightstands, and you want some movement in there. So I moved that and just kind of moved a few other little things around. I should probably shift this over about an inch and then the mirror up there down. It was up there because we had a really tall dresser there at one point. I need to add something more to this. It's feeling kind of empty on top. So I'm going to figure out something to add there. And then I did move the little hobnail mirror here. And then the bird was over above the gray dresser, which the green cabinet's there now. So that got moved here. So anyways, what do you think of our little mini transformation? Is there something you would have done different? Can you imagine something differently done? I did debate swapping the little gray dresser and the white one over here, just swapping those two around, but I think that puts too many big pieces back in that little room there, and I'm afraid that it'll just be too overpowering. So let me know what your thoughts are. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.